In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PDF files showing as Google Chrome. If your PDF icons look like the Chrome logo or they always open in your browser, that simply means Chrome is set as the default app for PDF files. We're going to switch that association so your PDFs open in the viewer you prefer. This won't change or damage the files themselves. It only updates which app handles them. Start by locating any PDF file on your computer, such as one on your desktop or in your downloads folder. Right-click the PDF to bring up the context menu. On some versions of Windows, especially newer ones, you'll see a compact menu first. If that's the case, click Show More Options to reveal the full classic menu where everything we need is visible. From that full menu, click Properties. A window opens showing details about the file. Make sure you're on the General tab. Look for the Opens with section. This is the setting that controls which app your computer uses for PDFs. Click the Change button next to it. Now you'll see a list of available apps that can open PDF files. Choose the viewer you want to use going forward. Common choices include Adobe Acrobat Reader, Microsoft Edge, or another PDF reader you've installed. If you don't immediately see your preferred app, expand the list to show more options or browse to the app if it's installed elsewhere. Pick the one you trust and are comfortable with because this choice will apply to all your PDF files. After selecting your preferred viewer, confirm the change by clicking Set as Default. This tells Windows to use that app for every PDF from now on, so your icons update accordingly, and double-clicking any PDF opens it in your chosen viewer. You can close the Properties window when you're done. That's it. Going forward, your PDFs should display with the icon of the app you selected instead of the Chrome logo, and they'll open in that app automatically. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat these steps and pick a different viewer. A quick tip, if you work with interactive forms or need advanced tools like commenting or signing, choose a dedicated PDF application. If you mostly read documents, the built-in viewer in your browser or operating system might be sufficient. Thanks for following along. With just a quick right-click, a couple of menu selections, and setting your preferred app as default, you've fixed PDF is showing as Google Chrome and made opening documents